started smiling and I told her she can join. No need to fight for evil, pen you bitches flip a coin. These bitches started licking, kissing, all these hoes are Frenching. I've been a friend over on the table in the kitchen. I'm sweating that we finished, now I go put on my clothes. I told her I would love to stay, but bitch I gotta go.
Since I was a kid, I knew that life was just a joke. I never had no fucking hope, so negative was my approach. All these lessons have awoke through memories. These thoughts provoke my views of life on soft and spoke. I've seen the truth behind the smoke. The mindset is vicious, the ways of religion, their worth of a life and beliefs are an illness. They try to instill this in minds of the weak. Just do as we say and you'll get your fulfillment. No proof of forgiveness, now why would you live this? Just pawns in the games of the powers that be. The world is asleep, why can't you see? Hell is this earth, all I see is the greed. A tainted seed that thrives like commotion. I witness the death of humanity. I call for dismay, my wellness decays as I fall into insanity. As everyone's panicking, I feel the grace. No diving in the abyss that awaits. Tasting the blood as it drips down my face. Grin as I see all the life like a waste. The moon and sun now become aligned as one. Entering the shadows of the light. The spiritual friend, my son. Soon I know my end will come, but through these words I'll now live on. This brotherhood of free is strong. We found the place we now belong. In the waves of distortion, smoking on the blunt.
All right. Good morning. Boy, I tell you what, hearing a lot of controversy. There's people TikToking what I said yesterday. We're halfway there already. I am already. If this is. Whoops. 55%. Grab my coffee. It should be done brewing. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm not looking to really do any big trades right now. Just kind of thinking little scalping, coming up to the spider line here. Man, we've seen this before. I mean, look at this. Look at these waves. My lordy. That's man. I didn't look at a chart until most of this played out, until somewhere around here, but I figured there may have been a little left. I didn't want to signal it because just a little too risky for sharing it. In these can't do the music. Let me open up the window. Monthly candle close, that's right, huh? You're right about that, huh? Gold dumping more? Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow, almost back down to where we entered 2 months ago. With market cipher, man, this looked like it was going up. Still looks like it's going up. Fuck. I shorted Tesla. This money's decreasing, man. I don't know. It's hard with all the money printing. Hex is back up again. Fuck, I should have bought more. Yeah, Hex is right back up to where it was, man. We'll see what happens here. I mean, this last one, right, came up and it doesn't stay green for that long, and everyone gets all excited, and we're still lower than we were before. Everyone's saying, well, you said yesterday. I'm like, man, you know, we talk a little more long term, but yeah, no, things change quickly, man. No, I closed almost half of them. Should have actually limit exited, but just taking profits. I'm not sitting here looking for a long-term trade. I'm just sitting here scalping. What do you mean what happened to the three amigos? It's right here, man. You're telling me we go up $1,000, $2,000 and you're saying everything's all done in one day? Come on, man. Look at it. $12 hours been the best time frame, most bullish time frame. I've been saying that for well, we've known that for a little while. The question is, will it? I need a clean chart. Every chart I go to, I got a bunch of stuff written all over it. This 200 days gonna be the test, man. If it even gets there. This is a nice looking curve. Beautiful on the momentum waves. Look at that. Coming right up. Ooh. So I imagine it's got to spend a little bit of time up here, but it doesn't need to be that much time. And these downtrends, man, it stays in the red longer. When it comes up in the green, it doesn't mean it's gonna stay in the green for long. Just like this one. Pretend that we're from right here left when we were here, right? Forget about all this. Oh my God, see, it's all over, it's all great, we're good, it's all great, and then bah! I don't know why people are, you know. Thanks for the donation, Jared. Main reasons, just this. Just thought I could maybe get a little something. Potential for a big something. But position size is low. Yeah, dude, whenever I mention my mom, I choke up. You know what I'm saying? And it comes quick. I'm like, "Ugh!" And then I can't, you know? Yeah. I've been thinking about her a lot lately. This is pretty cool when we drew this line. Not like it's really, it's not that clear. Whatever. Fucking we drew it in between our support lines. Big deal. That ain't a big deal. Get that out of here. Get rid of stuff. Nice, Kyle. Yeah, the order book, man. The order book looks strong, and when it look, I mean, look at this. Pop, 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 pop. It was wiki. I feel like it's not. I'm being careful when I say this, and I'm talking about from the way the order book action looks. It looks strong the way that it's been acting, and that's just the best way I can explain it. Where I think it might have a little shot to move. I mean, it has moved. When BitBoy asked, you know, is there a chance that like this is the bottom and we just come back up? I mean, the most hope I would say for that is the 12-hour, this money flow. If this money flow comes back up and it comes back up strong and it starts to bleed into the dailies and stuff, this ain't a confirmation enough. This could open up real hard or go up. You know what I mean? So don't have an answer. 2-day looks good right here, but still it's still deep. Look at this last one. in 2019, right? It shot up technically 40, 41, 42%, 40%. Took over a month. Things take time. That's what I'm saying. Things take time, man. Like, you're not gonna, no one's gonna be, no one's gonna know for a while. Thanks, Rob. I appreciate that. I thought BitBoy was hilarious. His faces he was making when I was saying that were so funny, man. He was killing me. Nice. Yeah, momentum's really opened up to the upside. I mean, look at these tight trigger waves, and now it's in the upside. How long it can stay here? That's what I'm kind of trying to figure out. That's hard to measure. It's thin. Hard to know. The hourly time frames, the 3-4 hour and stuff, that's but you don't know if when we're in a bear trend, you're in the green less. But if it is an actual real bottom and we go up to all-time highs from here, then I mean that's what it would look like at the beginning. Look at these ones. This one, yeah, the price came up a little bit, and then boom, 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 all the way down, and then money flow came back in. Oh, it's in that green. Oh, yeah, it's bullish again. Oh, you said it was gold. And here we go again. How long is it really going to stay here? You know, this one, that was 9 days. This one, I mean, hell, it's been hard to. This went down even more. You can't even measure that. Six. I don't have any price targets right now. I already shaved 40% of my trade off. I already closed 40% of my longs. What's going on? Ripple? Golly, what's it at? Man, I need to be trading Ripple. Still got some cash on the account. Ooh, and it just had a pullback. Well, that's the 3-day. I can get some Ripple and long Ripple if I want. I hear you, puppy. No, it's not playtime. I know. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, but I can't play right now. I'm snuggy, though. are so comfy. And clean. Alright, get out of here. Come on, man. Ooh, yeah. I gotta buy some Ripple right now and long it. I might long everything else too. If Ripple's going up, everything else has to be going up too. Fuck, it's right against these lines. Alright, let me buy some Ripple real quick. We're gonna take a shot at Ripple. We'll do 100 up. Scary. Ripple's scary. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. What's the leverage? Is this? It's too much. Lick 54. I'm looking at that VWAP right there on the 8-minute. It's zoomed in. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't recommend anyone else follow me right now. You know, it's the first time we basically broke over this 62, so that's good. It's 3% left. Yeah. Why are my lines moving? What the hell happened? What happened to my chart? What happened to my chart? It's... Oh, that's not good. Yeah, this is doing that thing again where it moves. Man, it never did it on the Coinbase, only my Gemini lines, but it looks like it's doing on the Coinbase now where it's changing my support lines. It's on log. The three amigos still there. That's good. Okay. Okay, it's fixed. So is it because auto was off? No. That's weird. No, I made the lines on logarithmic. They're always on log. See if we can catch this VWAP coming up. Another move up. Thank you, Charismatic. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, listen, money flows coming up. It's not surprising. Price is moving up. We're moving up from a lower low. In any bear market, price is going to move up. But normally it doesn't move up as much as everyone wants it to, and everyone forgets what the price was a short time ago and where we are. I think, yeah, this 38, 39K, the 200 day. That's the real test. The 200 day. Would be the real test if it got there. Everyone felt the same. Well, not everyone, but folks were saying the same thing right here, right here, right here, right here, and right now. But that's how it goes. DPW, let's check it out. Oh, baby! That's good. Nice. God dang! Later, Mike. Whoops. This line, this is still the previous 200 candles. This is the previous 200 candles on 3 hours. Still cool. I still like using this line. I mean, see right here, it broke over it too before. Broke over it, went up 6% over it. 6% would be 38K. That would be a solid take profit. I kind of want to add more to this. After shaving profits. See if we can find ourselves an excuse to do so. Wow, that ruined my entry. Jesus. Oh well, small potatoes. Interesting RSI rate here on ETH on the 2 hour. Look at that. That's the first time it's looked like that since we started dumping in May. There hasn't been an RSI that looks like that. I wonder what a Bitcoin looks like. That's being sent. This is pretty crazy. Some good price action. Mike Jones. go, Ripple. Oh, ETH? Damn, I didn't add any into ETH. Huh. Beautiful trigger waves right here. My gosh. Look at that. Unique looking RSIs. Very unique. I feel like it's kind of bullish. Yeah. What should I got? Yeah, I mean, beautiful curve. We're looking at Ripple here. Beautiful curvature on the money flow. You got plenty of dots down here, your trigger wave. It's just hard to judge how much it's going to go up in a downward trend, you know. The trend is it doesn't stay green for that long. Unless it's the end of the trend. Bot's doing real good. I flipped it on, was it 2 days ago? I flipped it on yesterday or the day before. Really good. You know, William, I would, but every time I do, people ask me to sell it, and I've tried doing that for a year for many reasons. Yeah, that's how I started in the space. See what I tell you? See what I tell you? Look at the chat. As soon as I said, I told you, man. Ah, interesting. The 200-day on Ethereum. Would you look at that? Huh. This could tell us a lot. Wow, look at that blood diamond. That was a nice blood diamond. Ooh, my lordy. Huh. That's not good. Actually, oh, it's kind of similar. These are two similar situations as far as the environment. Hmm. Can't take my eye off this RSI. And just how different it is than all the previous ones. Looks like one of these ones. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Depends on the time frame, man. You know, there's not just there's different time frames. I am short term bullish. That's what you want to call it. I'm not trusting. Look at this RSI though on the 4 hour here. Look at that. Same look as it was on the 2 hour. Stronger than this one. This one's stronger. See how it's going up like that? This one's. This one looks stronger. You go the 3-day, not so much. The best way I can say it is, I mean, it's kind of like an at-bat. It's an at-bat for a bottom, you know? Just like this was an at-bat. The small time frames lead into the large time frames. So, in this situation, you know, who's to say this 12-hour wave, like, let me change this. Let me get some coffee reaction, and I'll be right back. again. Oh. Alright, let me go feed you. Alrighty. Alright, I'll stick with it. Oh well. You know, more times than not, when we see these curves, it just keeps that there's pumpage. There we go, baby. Look at that momentum spring. How long was this? 14-hour spring, basically. Hell, you could even say it started back here. Day. I don't know how long. I don't know. I don't know. Could be a long time, could be a little time. Just look at the past. I mean, it's natural. I mean, this is all natural. Look how much it's gone up and gone down and 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 gone up and down and up and down and up and down. Beautiful spider lines. My lordy, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. So if this can break through, yeah. If this pushes through, then my next take, like, solid take profit, definitely at 38, 3, 4s, and 5s. But this could do it. It's money flow's just breaching over. It's at a spider line. No reason why this couldn't at least go to one more. Guy with YouTube channel doesn't know where BTC goes. Tell me something I don't know. That was funny, bro. spider lines are just trend lines that you draw, man. These were the good times. I hear you, puppy. What are you chewing on? Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Alright, get out of here. Not right now. Come on, Sid, my little boy. Daddy's working. We go, Ripple. Look at that. We caught that little VWAP there. Let's see if it can keep on going. Mm-hmm. Mm. Look at that. Wonder if it's going to take a little break here. Where's the under 20K? I didn't know one day decides everything, you dumb fuck. Look at these people. My lord, there's always some. Bro, look at the chart previously. Oh my lord. How much have you lost? Poor guy. Sid. All right now, buddy. Not right now. Come on. I'm about to kick you out. Go eat. He's a Samoyed. Right on. EQ doctor. How many days left are in the month? Today and tomorrow. Yes, you can. Look at, let's go, Ripple. A little momentum crossing on the 7-minute. Price goes up and down. How big of these? Wow, 2%. 1%. Wouldn't be surprised if ETH came down a little bit. Just kept doing the same thing it's been doing. Same with everything else. yeah, things can still get very ugly. We're just in a channel here. This could be the same thing as right here, and right here, and right here, and right here. Or not. You know, the price goes up a day or two, then it goes down a day or two, and goes up for a day or two, down for a day or two. Yeah. What's up, kid? Yeah, Dylan, huh? I haven't done it that low, but that's cool. Carrie, you get an invite when you get Market Cipher. Yeah, Krishna Doobie, that's what the trend is. Nice, kid. What's your entry? I never traded Forex. Nice entry, 32K, nice. Would I flip short? Nah, this is 4 hours too. It's just breaching into the green. Might not stay there for long. You know, that's in these big sell-offs, that's generally what happens. Just like in a bull trend, we stay green longer. Right? So when price is overall going up, you see, yay, we're in the green. Oh, we're in red. Just tiny bit. Then yay, we're in the green. Then oh, it's tiny bit. Yeah, la, la, la. Now it's getting bigger and bigger. Wow, look at that. Each one. Look at this. Look how big this green wave was. Then a little bit of red. Then this one was smaller. Red bigger. This one was smaller, 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 smaller. Now the reds are getting bigger and bigger, and this one it was a little deeper for longer. But that's what I'm saying, man. We ain't out of the woods, man. There's a chance. Like I said, it's a crack at bat. 12 hours, where the hope is. I mean, if this ends up turning up and going strong green, then there's a possibility, but that's going to take time. It ain't there on the daily. It's flat. It could be worse, but the money ain't coming in on that time frame. No! Man, I just... The way the save feature works, like, there's not a new save option. It's, I always mess it up. There. Yeah, well, that's starting to play out. Can you believe? Six. All right, we'll see. It's probably going to be close. It'll probably be close. No, I took some profits already and added to the position, so it raised my entry. Thanks, John Wayne. Brooklyn, not necessarily. You can use whatever time frames you want, but if I'm using the 4 hour, you know, I might look to the 3 and the 2, maybe the 1, for example. 4 hours is a large time frame. And it depends where you longed. I mean, if you longed off here, right, you had your green dots, your trigger wave money flow. So if you longed in here, yeah, you'd be looking to want to exit when it's in the green somewhere. But based off the, you know, when we're in a bear trend, remember, it doesn't stay green for that long. So we're just entering into the green. So, yeah, I mean, you can inch over to the 3, inch over to the 2, kind of see what's going on. It is at a line of resistance. fan of Hoodoo, yeah. Hoodoo's cool. What's going on with oil? Looks just fine to me. Oh, silver dumping hella hard too. Lumber took a dump. That's good. That shit was going way too high. Way too high. God forbid if you're trying to build a house. You always scare me opening doors. Not looking good, man. Not looking good. Come on, man. Not right now. I let you in. Come on, don't make me feel bad for yelling at you. I don't want to have to yell at you, my little boy. I'm sorry. You just are so... I'm a bad daddy. I'm a bad daddy. All right, let's take a look. See here. Okay, got a little VWAP curvature here on the spider line. Let's enhance. Okay, okay. Little bit of curvature to the upside here. Look at that doji on the 5 minute off the spider line on the 5 minute. Come on, baby. Is that right? The 3-hour DBSI, the strength is still increasing. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, look at that. 15, 16, 17, -5s all the way up, and that's good. A little bit of turbulence right here, but that's good. This is good. 12, 13s. We'll see. They gonna fight. Why don't I use a stop loss? I do, but when I'm sitting here and I'm streaming, there's too much shit on the screen, and then people start asking questions. Are those shorts? Or I don't need stops for these positions right now. I'm right here, and I don't set a stop for $2.6 million. You know, I spread it out, and there'll be 100 fucking things all over the chart. It's too messy. No, I have my phone. When I go to the bathroom or go to make a new coffee, I have my phone with me. Do I make money from YouTube? No, I don't really monetize my channel. I could, and I'd, make a little bit, but I don't want you guys to have to watch commercials and have ads. I ain't about that shit. I don't need YouTube monetization ads to spam you guys to make money with. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I think they're justifiable.
Let's go. no, I'm not done with Whale Crew. We're just not. I'm not taking any more people. I just haven't signaled. I didn't signal this trade. But if you get messages, don't fall for scammers in the Discord saying, "Hey, this is that are impersonating me." Anyone that I will not direct message you. It ain't me. And they've built a whole Discord groups with all fake admins, fake Flop and Groper, fake me. Don't fall for it. Yeah, man, I can't believe people like have the. I can't believe people do that stuff. Just straight scam and lie and steal. It's really is pathetic and sad. Alrighty, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, VWAP, push that puppy up. something. Man, the DBSIs are stronger than they have been. I mean, this is the most bullish DBSI since damn near almost 2 days. Why is the DBSI only show so far back? Because the DBSI takes a lot of information and slows things down. If DBSI was on every candle on the chart, you wouldn't be able to look at your chart. I already took some profits already. The ideal, and listen, ideally, if we're able to break through and come to the next spider line, let's look at the Gemini. I don't even remember which ones were the right ones when this got all messed up and started moving the lines. If I refresh it, will this one work like I did last time? Will that do with Coinbase? Let's see if this works. Nope. How much attention do I pay to chain data? Not much. My target, I just told you. Come on. But if you're just joining, I don't know. I don't know what could happen. I take profits on the way. You don't know. There's I don't. I can say 38.4, 38.3, 38.5. But I don't know. I don't know what is going to happen in the future. Anything can happen. It can fucking sharp crash. It can sharp pump. Nobody knows, so I try not to waste that much time on it, you know. But if I had to choose one, if we continue breaking through this puppy, then I'd probably go with 38s. This is a nice beginning RSI right here. What is this, the 8-hour? Big time frame. That's good. Eight-hour looks like there's a little bit of hope here, which makes sense since the 4-hour has a very nice textbook market cipher basic strategy play. What are you doing, buddy? What's back there? What are you grabbing back there? What is that? What is that? Choke on it. Get a bouncy ball. Okay. So we had a 15 bear, -3 bull, and that looks like currently it's weakening. Wow, there's only 9 seconds left for 30 minutes, about to close. This is good. This is good. A weakening bearish push, and boom, new candle closed. Look at that. That's cool. See what happens next. say something about the evening star? Ah. Coming into a little previous, we're into a previous channel right here. We're long into resistance. Oh, Ripple. This line hasn't been too nice to Ripple. Cripple. Damn. Look at this. Then look at this. And then look at this. And then look at this.
It's a place far, far away. It's a place where music has meaning. The freedom to move. Freedom to hear. Freedom to hear.
Wait a oh, derp. Okay.
Freedom to hear. Freedom to hear.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you know, it's gonna take time.
It's a place where music has meaning.
If it's gonna get there, it's gonna take time.
To move. Freedom to hear.
No. Whoa. What? No. What? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my. So you're telling me this isn't a double spider line, it's just two spider lines from the same candle. Okay, let's fix that. Plot twist.
Fully prepared to go to school the next morning. First day of the school, a new semester. And I got up that morning and something in me said, the hell with school today. You need to go to Hollywood. started saying to myself, I'm going to Hollywood today. I had no idea
Wait.
why I was going to Hollywood. I didn't know nobody in Hollywood. That's one of the things that broke my mother's heart. The fact that I was quitting school to go to Hollywood. And she knew I had no money. I had no connections. I knew nobody out there. That was one of the problems. But I had to go to Hollywood that morning.
Wow.
And I went to Hollywood. In fact, I walked to Hollywood that morning.
Man, look at this line. Newport hanging out his mouth. Wow. Mouth open, cigarette hanging out. That was funny. What's up, Philly? What did I just do? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 41 minutes on this candle close. That's not what we want to see. What do I think about the 2-day? Yeah, man, that's some hope, but it's got a lot coming against it, going against it. Maybe a kind of like a trigger VWAP almost. Daily money flow pretty much flat. RSI is a little higher, kind of halfway higher. Momentum wave so a little higher. I mean, can't trade momentum. Whoo boy! More and more people every day are learning about momentum. Depends on the momentum you're measuring. Depends on what you're measuring. All depends on what you're measuring. There we go, baby. Let's go. Trend ain't your friend for shit. I mean, what the hell do you mean? What do you mean as easy as that? I'm not really a big fan of the whole trend is your friend thing, to be honest with you, because the one time it ain't your friend, it takes everything from you. Trend ain't your friend. It's not your enemy either, it's just benign. The trend is benign. Unless you have a friend named Trent. Is that what you're talking about? Let me pull up BitBoy's face. That was funny as hell. He was cracking me up. Let me pull that up. When I said his face was so funny, let me pull that up. Let's watch that. Oh, come on, YouTube.
Watch, we'll jump into that. Actually, Face will let.
Close your eyes. You the host.
Figures by the end of this year. Crypto Face, you say impossible. It will not cross 6 figures. Is that? No. Okay. All right. Well,
But
perfect.
listen, I think before we move on to the next topic, though, I just want to make like one final point on that, which is like, I understand your three amigos, and I'm now starting to believe that we are looking somewhere between 100 to 200K instead of the most bullish scenario where things were looking like they were going, somewhere above 300K. I'm starting to now, like I said, believe like maybe 120, 150 might be the actual target. I think if that is the case, I do think there's a great.
I'm saying I'm wrong all the time on what I 2017.
Touch off 20K. I just don't think we're at the point.
And the good news is if it does come down, it can come right. What I call.
Man, I don't know. Shit, which part is that, man? He asked me. He's like, I just want to know, and then
The charts are just saying that like it's gonna go much lower because I just don't.
Here it is. Here it is.
From your perspective.
Well, there's always a possibility. My long-term view on Bitcoin, man, to be honest with you, is a little as far as price action. Ain't that pretty? I kind of feel like there's a possibility that 64K may have been the top, like the top forever. I'm not trying to say anything, but things don't scale into infinity.
You see his face. You see his face, dude. He's funny, man.
It's a little as far as price action. Ain't that pretty? I kind of feel like there's a possibility that 64K may have been the top, like the top forever. I'm not trying to say anything, but things don't scale into infinity and beyond, and it's a.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to be using that one. Dick sucking thumbnail, definitely. I'm gonna be stealing that one. Oh, slow-mo! Oh, boy, I closed it. Dang it. We should have slow-moed it. Yeah, I sent him masks. Dude, there's TikToks and stuff that are going. Yeah, I know, man. There's like, hang on. Let me blacken the screen real quick. Let me pull this up. Okay. I don't have a TikTok, but this is okay.
On Around the Blockchain today, CryptoFace, the founder and creator of Market Cypher, had this to say about Bitcoin.
Do you think there is a chance that we are going to continue going up? Or do you just say that that's not really a possibility? The charts are just saying that like it's going to go much lower because I just don't believe that. I want to hear from your perspective.
Well, there's always a possibility. My long-term view on Bitcoin, man, to be honest with you, is a little as far as price action. Ain't that pretty? I kind of feel like there's a possibility that 64K may have been the top, like the top forever. I'm not trying to say anything, but things don't scale into infinity and beyond, and it's a
Bitcoin's all-time top.
This is
64K. On Around the Blockchain today, CryptoFace, the founder and creator of Market Cipher, had this to say about Bitcoin.
Can you not fast forward?
Do you think there is a chance that we are going to continue going?
You can't
or do you just
control
say
the
that that's
volume.
not?
Dude, these apps, okay, I hate these apps. It's either blast your ears loud or nothing.
Ability.
We don't need to hear. We just need to see his face.
Ain't that pretty? I kind of feel like there's a possibility that 64K may have been the top, like the top forever. I'm not trying to say anything, but you know, things don't scale.
Yeah. Yeah, so someone sent me. There's comments. Am I able to click on these? I'm a little nervous. I don't want to
Into
get
infinity and beyond. And
a little nervous to see. I remember Twitter's got like porn and shit on it. I don't want that shit to happen. Oh, I can't even view the comments. I gotta make an account. I ain't making no. I ain't doing that shit. Dude, I love Carreras, man. They're like the best sunglasses out there, in my opinion. For me, I got over with spending hundreds of dollars on designer sunglasses. I bought like 1 or 2 pairs of designer sunglasses in my life. Never do that shit again. They don't look good. You lose them. They get bent. Dumbest thing ever. They look like shit. The sunglass market is terrible. Carreras are like 40, 50, 60 bucks, and they look great on everybody. TikTok comments say I'm a sellout. I sold and I don't care. That's true. That part's true. Sold and I don't care. That's true. Sellout. I mean, I guess that's, you know, that's what a sellout really, the real definition should be. Like, people say he's a sellout when, like, they say, like, they're bought off by someone, but in the terms of being a sellout, as in selling and not giving a fuck, yeah. Yeah, I know, the mask thing, I know. Yeah, totally true, Big Rider. Yeah, and you know, listen, on ESPN, they when they have like 2 guys, someone always takes the counter, even if they don't like believe it personally. You know, on that show, a lot of times everyone's kind of bullish, and so, you know, once in a while someone's got to go in there and say a different point of view. I've been wearing a mask since day one. That's my thing, man. I'm crypto face. I don't yearn for fame. Privacy. That's right. And you wouldn't believe how many shit, scum, dark web shit goes on in this industry, man. I've seen it, dealt with it myself. How I handle stop losses, I split them up just like everything. If I'm in a $2 million trade, I'll do like 400,000 or 500,000. It depends on everyone's different. Yeah, a lot of people see me without the mask. State of the stock market. Man, I don't know. Gotta fall sometime. been stopped out on streams before. But if I put stops, it clutters up my whole screen. People think they're different trades, and it causes commotion. And these are small positions relative to what I normally do, and I'm sitting right here. I'm sitting right here. I don't know, Adrian. Come on. All right, so let's take a look-see here. Okay, here's something we got going good for us. Every time, from what I just see right here, we have a push this up high on the momentum, right? 82. Go boom right here. You go back in the past. Here, let's do this. 82, the last one, boom, right here. Still had more room to go. Right here. Wick back a little bit, but overall, more room to go. Here. We're on the hourly. It's close. Let's go on this one. Close, but not right there. That one was the top. But that didn't touch it. What about this one? This one, same thing, look. Still room to go. All right, what about this one? Still room to go. Okay, so every single, for the past 5 out of 5 or 6 out of 6 times, we had our momentum wave push up to over 80. There was still at least a little bit more to go. So that's something to hold on to. I think I'm gonna take a break from streaming. What time is it? Yeah. Ooh. It's break time. Maybe I'll see you later. I got a couple things I gotta do today. There's some crazy moves pumping. I'm sure I'll probably be back. Yeah. Good stream. And good luck.